was more, like skincare, and I wanted to play with some makeup, and I'm glad that, and I'm kind of dwindling down, like I was saying, stuff that I want to use, that I continue to use all the time. Like this palette, I do want to use it more often. I really
Which
do.
palette is it?
It's my Plush Like Me. It's this one.
Plush Like Me. Who makes that?
ColourPop.
ColourPop. Where's their stuff made?
USA.
USA. So that's pretty cool. And I understand the
See?
yeah, I understand the money that you've spent on it. I really do. It's similar to anybody who's trying to understand something. You spend money on stuff, trying to see if you like it, if that's going to be the equipment or the tool for you. Like I bought that freaking Telecaster. Trying one more time.
This one. This
trying,
one.
Yeah, trying one more time to like playing a Telecaster.
And look at these colors, babe.
I really hope the camera's capturing those because those are some really lush, delicious, beautiful colors.
And their shadows are really great. Here's my problem and why I won't be repurchasing much stuff. Well, this palette,
Who's the company?
Anastasia Beverly Hills.
Okay.
And as expensive as their stuff is, China.
Really? So they put somebody's name on it, basically.
That's what I'm thinking. And it bothers me because we've had the discussion. I don't want to buy stuff from China because,
Not because you hate Chinese people, but because of
human rights violations. I mean, people are always about, oh, well, they test on animal cruelty. Oh, okay. So animals is where you draw the line, and
right, but destroying your people is perfectly okay, right?
right, apparently,
Yeah, that's
apparently.
cool. Yeah, we're all good with that.
So,
But yeah, I do understand the money that you've spent on all the cosmetics. I do. It's how much money is it taking me to find the type of guitars I like?
I know.
I like Gretsch's, and I like Stratocasters.
Do you like Les Paul?
I've only tried the Les Pauls in the store, and I liked it. It felt like a nice guitar, but
Gibson.
even when I played Matthew's cheap Gretsch Jet, which is like Gretsch's take on a solid body Les Paul.
Should I have my hair up?
I love seeing your neck. I don't know if that's the look you're going for because put your hair back down. I don't know. It didn't end up very curly. I mean, it looks nice. It's got a good shine to it, but it didn't end up very curly. Oh, when you do that, when you bring it over your shoulders, hot girl.
Hot girl.
Hot girl. Hot girl.
Oh, you can see the
color there? Yeah. So if you're going to do it like that, then you're good to go. But if you're going to put it behind you, then put it up. But like that, yeah, that's pretty hot. You know I'm recording all of this, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I saw the little red light.
I didn't know. Time for a little more color.
Well, I don't know. I'm thinking maybe I just go gray.
You know how long it's going to be before it's all uniform?
I do. Kind of about the same amount of time that it's taken this to grow out.
It's going to be longer than that. You think about the amount of time it takes that to get down to below your armpits.
I know. And it's got the little floofy curls in there.
It does.
Ew.
It looks so soft and fluffy, like a duckling's feathers.
Right? That's all. Well, and I can't even say it's virgin hair anymore because we do go over it with color when I do my hair, when I get it.
When you decide to go gray, you're probably going to want to have the color stripped out because you'll have a definite line that will just keep doing this, but it will take years.
Yeah, I don't know what I want to do.
Well, the dark hair frames your face wonderfully. But would the lighter hair look like a halo?
A halo.